How modulated scalar waves interact with the body. A scalar wave, which is a special type of electromagnetic wave I have described in previous videos, has the potential to interact with introns in the DNA. Every one of our cells has DNA, and changing the DNA in the cell can change the expression of the cell. If I add DHT or testosterone or any other kind of androgen to the androgen receptor at the cell wall, a few processes will happen to ultimately change the DNA and therefore the cell's expression, causing it to grow stronger. The beauty of scalar waves is that it bypasses all the processes to act straight on the DNA through resonance with the introns, and therefore we can have the cell express the effects of a saturated androgen receptor without the actual androgen saturating the androgen receptor. To do this, we would use a modulated scalar wave. Through these modulated waves, we can change the expression of every single living cell in our bodies as we see fit, essentially controlling epigenetic expression. For these kinds of waves, a custom protocol is almost completely necessary to achieve your desired result, whether that's helping with any kind of problem that you may have in your body, whether it be virus, a disease, or some kind of ill health. Or if you want to take it further, and instead of using scalar waves to heal, you use scalar waves to enhance, such as get stronger, grow your long bones, become smarter, or really anything. Really anything. The sky is the limit with scalar waves because you can change every single expression in the DNA. I want to note that when it comes to modulated scalar waves and androgens, there's a very, very high possibility that augmenting your DNA and your epigenetic expression of your cells to exhibit the characteristics of an androgen would not end up shutting you down. Theoretically, this isn't something I've actually tested, because it bypasses the androgen receptor to make the change right at the DNA. And how our pituitary, our hypothalamus works is that it knows we have very, very high androgen levels, from the androgen receptors, or in some cases from heightened estrogen, but in most cases from the androgen receptors, and then it gets rid of LH and FSH, or it lowers it. So it's very, very possible that by using scalar androgens or wireless androgens resonating with your introns, you would end up bypassing the androgen receptor and therefore not shutting you down your endogenous hormone production, which is extremely, extremely interesting. Find out how you can use scalar waves to completely revamp your life, then just email me at jakefastf@gmail.com and I'll develop a custom protocol for you to completely change your life and achieve your goals.